Are you tired of city life? Can you not even hear yourself sing in the morning on account of endless sirens, honks, and garbage trucks? Would you prefer to forage for fresh food in a field or forest versus secondhand restaurant scraps and sidewalk pickings? Do you want to be able to spread your wings and raise a family with the same values that your avian ancestors had? Well, I have good news for you. I'm Summer Rain Oaks, ABR ALC certified real estate agent for birds everywhere. Over the past 2 years, my team and I at Flock have been hard at work developing over 50 homes in the idyllic Finger Lakes of New York for birds like you. We've got something for everyone, with a special emphasis on cavity nesters like wrens, chickadees, titmice, bluebirds, tree swallows, purple martins, sparrows, kestrels, woodpeckers, nuthatches, wood ducks, starlings, owls, and more. And we have a range of styles that will suit everyone's preferences, from country cottages, cabins, recently renovated fixer-uppers, estate market finds, postmodern homes, prefab styles equipped with predator guards, 2-story and 1-story homes, naturalistic hobbit hollows, and modern-day tree houses designed with your choice of bark, such as pine, oak, ash, or sycamore, so you can enjoy the look of the tree with some more modern amenities. Our lakefront cottages and multifamily homes are by far the most popular, but we expect our newly erected homes featuring Shosugiban siding strategically placed under the overhang of a human's home will be the tweet of the town. Most homes have their own beautiful view and primarily face southeast to east to protect you and your growing family from the harsh northwesterly winds. Additionally, homes are strategically placed to give you enough airspace between you and your neighbors, because we know your need for both community and privacy is important. And surrounding areas are managed for more naturalistic landscapes. Lawns are only mowed 2 or 3 times per year to allow grasses and other flowers to go to seed. We take care to select a variety of native plants to encourage native insects, and gardens are maintained using organic principles to optimize for bug life and to keep your family healthy and safe. Additionally, we leave seed heads up in the winter and do supplemental feeding during the coldest months, so you could weather any storm. We also know that fresh water is of key importance. We not only have 4 major water bodies and a babbling brook at your disposal, but also many small watering holes across the land. Which we know is important during those sweltering hot days. And don't think we forgot about our nest builders. Yes, I'm talking to you, robins, phoebes, juncos, and warblers. We have plenty of platforms and trees for you to choose from, not to mention premium building materials just a short hop or flight away. So don't just do a flyover. Come, hang out, enjoy the views, and experience flock life. We promise it'll be exciting. But spring is coming soon, and these homes will be flying off the shelves. So don't delay, as they are first come, first serve. Because as the saying goes, the early bird gets the home. Do you hear that? The birds are coming. I gotta get ready.